Oh, so, bro, I think. So last thing, somebody said if they would give me a free pet if I found them, and I did. I mean, most people just, at this time, somebody wasn't lying, and I after getting Kitsune Fox, so, you know, and 1K gems. W, perfect. No, I'm not sure. You just made the biggest elevator. It's gonna be very hard to get something good now. Come on, somebody has to get something. Nobody, I can't trade? Okay. Nah, I'm just kidding. All I got is 1K. I just want to get a Narwhal. I don't want to end my Kitsune. It's probably gonna decline. It's like Narwhal's like 3,000 or I don't know. I don't even know values at all. I just died. What is the level 1 doing in those trading closets? Never mind, I'm a level 1. I don't even got savings. 91169. Okay. Bro. It's gonna take too long. I'm leaving. Yes, I'm leaving the video. My goal is to trade at least something, you know? I can't even trade anything. Let's see. Brother. Bro. For 7K, bro. I mean, they were lucky. Hold up. I got like maybe. I'll take 2 minutes to get some good pets and unlock trading booth because I need a 7 people sell it for 7K. That's way overpriced. Why do people buy it for that much? That's overpriced. Oh my god. Hey, I got 9. Trading. Yes. No. Nobody cares about pen ingots. When did I get coin stacks? It'd be the fastest way to make money. 'Cause I'm not gonna get anything good. Anyway. Oh wow, bunny, I'm so freaking cool with that. What happened to my broomstick, cat? I'll trade some random kids. $10, nobody's gonna accept. Okay. Okay. There's the money. Oh, I can afford it now. Thank you. I finally got that. Only took like 2 minutes. Not that long, you know. It doesn't take that long. I just got unlucky. But now I can put my stuff up for expensive. 10,000 people got like nothing. People buying Gilded Raven for. I'm poor. I got 1,000 gems. You're gonna trade a guy with 1,000 gems, level 1, and expect him to be pro? This. Oh, those are way overpriced too. Actually, I don't even know where people are buying stuff. Okay, that kind of wasn't my ass. I should have accepted that. 2K gems is sweet. Money. They're gonna outbid me. 4K. Nobody's gonna buy anything. Okay, yeah, I would do this to do it. I should have accepted that reference. Go to Ravens, go 250. $150. 150 of these each. $290. I'll sell it for also. No, eh? Yeah. Get the money full of this okay. Not always that lucky to find some good food. Bro, this kid's selling them for so cheap. That one moment where I wish I was rich. Oh! 95 dude. Oh, nice. Double. Donut. Bruh. Yo! W. W. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. 2.5 million for a 3.7 million? Yeah. Sorry, Godward is real. You made it. So, rating. 7 million. That's a big L for me, but yeah. Fair enough. Double. Yes, yep. Even I want to buy? Which a buyer? Maybe not. Bro, somebody said, am I LCLC? That's actually crazy. Okay. Get this done. I will be playing. I don't know any impressions. Today I will be playing Pet Simulator X. LC. That guy made a W, but he also made an L. Oh. If I do 4K gems, I will have enough for 1.8 million and a 1.5 million. Your local mobile select. I need to get my other account on this. It has so much gems. I need to put it on my stand ASAP. Should have done that earlier. Someone will see it. Somebody buy that 2.5 million pet. They're making a W. I'm making a W. They're also making it. They can be at this. I don't want them to see Dan Panmies. Because if they do, then I'm cooked. You got a deal? Bruh. Okay, but let's not even... That's a downgrade. I'm about to end it here. I'm laggy. Where's the cheap stuff? Offering for 5k gems will sound more legit. And better. Ooh. Yes, please. Start going for here. Grab a little bit of this. Done with the video. But that's it. I know. You have a fight? Why did he trade? Why do you trade? Wow. You're not even gonna. Brother. Brother. Oh, I got 2 good ones. Oh my god. I'm giving credit to that guy. That guy's cool. That human is double W. Dragon 4.5. I have so much. I'm just making double trade. You know what I'm talking about? There's no way someone surprise you. I think she better be out. This person's doing the same though. No cap, everybody's selling them for so cheap. Expensive, I just threw that shit in my purse. Don't mind if I do. Oh, I could donate stocks to this value. Hi. It's done cap for 3K because it's only 3K. This is the best day in the game. Man. Donut. He's just upping the value every like. I'm. Oh my god. Go for like easily 4.3k. Maybe easy. I'll put it in for 4.3k. Sincerely, please smile. Sincere me. You buy those, man. I'm first up, man. Oh my god, I'm throwing such shit, bro. This woman, it's like a bot. She has infinite. I'm not ending this video until I get some. Yo, I can make it 4K. Yes, I'm still not good. People are auto spamming selling this carrot. Oh. I'm going to end video right now, but I just got so much W.